Just got a new MacBook Neo and wondering how to install apps even if you can't find them in the App Store? Here's a quick and simple guide to download any app on your Mac. First, make sure your new Mac is already signed in with your Apple ID. Now, open the App Store on your Mac. Since your Apple ID is already signed in, you can start downloading apps right away. You can browse different categories to discover new apps, or simply use the search bar at the top to find a specific app. Once you find the app you want, click Get or Install. If your Mac asks you for your password or Touch ID, just confirm it. After that, the app will download and install automatically. But if the app isn't available in the App Store, you can still install it from the web. Just open Safari, search for the app name followed by Download for Mac. Then download the Mac-compatible version from the official website. When the download finishes, open the file from the download list and simply drag the app into your Applications folder. Now the app will be saved there, and you can easily find all your installed apps in the Applications folder anytime. Sometimes, after installing an app from the web, you may see an extra file in your Downloads folder or on your desktop. Once the app is installed, you can safely delete that file to keep your Mac clean. That's it. Your app is now installed and ready to use. Hope this guide helps. Thanks for your time.